Look at him, watching her. Doesn't she look beautiful? Could they be more content? What a perfect day. Never know when you'll find what your heart is yearning for. All you seek could be there, just a breath away.
I love the dress.
I love the hair.
The island roses everywhere.
I'm trying not to shed a tear. I'm glad this all was my idea.
The honeymoon will start today. I bet that we can stow away.
This has to be the wedding of the year.
Now that I've seen the world around me, now that the answers all are clear, old concerns behind me, new adventures near, I know a chance can be worth taking, and that a family can grow when we have love to guide us as we go. To guide us as we go.
抖音